Hello friends, we are here with another interesting craft video, and this is how you are making a nice cartoon over here. You are giving multiple colors to it in such a way that it makes nice cartoon. Next in the sequence, you are taking a cardboard sheet, and this is how you are giving an ice cream look to it, and you are pasting several colors such that it makes a nice casata look. Now you are trying to paste that stick and you are making an ice cream. Next one is you are trying to take red color paper and you are trying to have multiple colors paper, and such a way you are pasting it so that it makes a nice snail over here. This is how you can play with it. Next one, what you are taking several color tie so that you are giving multiple patterns to it. This is how you are giving this roses pattern. Next you are making a flower pattern, and this is how you are decorating it out. You can give multiple look to this tie, and another you can try this strip look, and this will look something like this. Isn't it nice? Next you are taking fingerprint expression and you are pasting a circular on top of it in such a way that it makes a nice yellow duck over here. This is how it will look after proper coloring and decoration. Next in the sequence you are taking several colorful circular patterns, and this is how you are pasting it to one another in such a way that it makes a nice card look, and this is how you can write your message here and you can decorate it beautifully such that it makes a nice greeting card. Next in the sequence you are taking a yellow colored paper, and this is how you are folding it out in such a way that it makes a nice folding, and this is how you can fold it out to make it a more attractive and better. This is how you are folding it out, and after proper foldings and this you'll get something like this, and you can make a nice butterfly look over here. This is a orange color paper, but you can have whatever you want to. Like if you want something else, you can take that color, and if you want a colorful butterfly, you can take multiple color papers also. This is how you can make it. Next in the sequence you are taking that heart shaped multiple colored craft paper in such a way that it makes a nice colorful hearty pattern, and this is how you can make a nice drawing. Next in the sequence you are taking a green color paper and you are trying to paste it on top of white color. You are trying to make patterns to it in such a way that it makes a nice colorful cartoon. Isn't it nice? Next one, you are trying to cut hands, and this is how you are making a nice boat as well as that rider. They are riding in a boat. Isn't it nice? Next one, you are taking a orange color paper, and this is how you are trying to fold it out in such a way that after pasting on top of one another you'll get something like this. You are making a sticky over here, and this is how you are making a 3D look umbrella. This is how it will look. Isn't it looking attractive? Next in the sequence you can take a cloud, that bluish color we are taking, and after giving this attractive rainbow color look we are trying to paste it inside that cloud in such a way that when you make a colorful nice drawing, after pasting it you will get a better look, a more attractive look. This is how you are giving patterns inside your craft, inside your gift.